Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, A Comprehensive Guide to Python Selenium WebDriver Remote. Introduction. Python Selenium WebDriver is a powerful tool for automating web browser interactions. In certain scenarios, it's necessary to execute WebDriver scripts on a remote machine, which can be achieved using the Selenium WebDriver remote. This tutorial will guide you through the process of setting up and using Python Selenium WebDriver remote with practical code examples. Requirements. Step 1. Install Selenium WebDriver. Step 2. Set up a Selenium server, Selenium Grid. Download the Selenium standalone server jar file from the official Selenium website, https://www.selenium.dev/downloads. Start the Selenium server using the following command. Ensure the server is running on http://localhost 4444 by visiting this URL in your browser. Step 3. Write Python script for remote WebDriver. Create a Python script, example remote_example.py, and use the following code as a template. Make sure to replace the remote_URL with the URL of your Selenium server and adjust the desired capabilities based on your requirements, example browser type, version. Step 4. Run the script. Execute the script using the following command. This script will open a remote WebDriver connection to the specified Selenium server, navigate to https://www.example.com, perform a search, and print the page title. Conclusion. Python Selenium WebDriver remote allows you to distribute and execute your automation scripts on remote machines, enabling parallel testing and efficient utilization of resources. By following this tutorial, you should be able to set up and use Python Selenium WebDriver remote in your automation projects. ChatGPT.